Hey guys, welcome back to Hello RC. This is Jason, and today I'm out here at Crawler County, and I brought the Traxxas Trx4m Defender. And the last couple times I have brought this rig to the course, I have broken drive shafts. So a while back I switched to the crawler gears with the INJORA transmission, the 48 turn motor, and then put a little bit of brass on it and some other things that I got off of Temu and AliExpress. But after doing these upgrades, the weight and the torque was just too much for these plastic drive shafts, so I broke them 2 runs in a row. So if you're going to do the crawler gear upgrades and some heavy upgrades, you are absolutely going to have to get some of these metal drive shafts, and these are INJORA, and I think I also got these off of the Temu or AliExpress, but they're available on Amazon and other places as well. As you can see, we got a lot of metal under here now, a lot of brass. This is getting to be a pretty stout little rig. Also has a 3D printed interior in it, the brass wheels. So we're going to drive it around today and finally be able to see how it performs with these upgrades. So let's get started. Here we go with the Trx4m. I just got done filming a 10th scale video, so hopefully my driving adjusts here pretty quickly to this smaller scale. You really got to think about the obstacles you can get over with this little guy after driving a 10th scale. But such a great looking little truck. I think we're gonna mostly keep this to what it's good at, is just trailing around over some light terrain. This is not gonna be a performance crawler by any means, but in this sort of setting, this is what it's perfect for. Ice on our little water feature here still. Go around the edge of this. Little side hill, putting that brass torque. There we go. Very good control with this low speed transmission. Ooh, there's the brass doing its job. That thing sat down in a hurry. I thought I was going to lose it for sure. But here I am to some terrain that doesn't leave me with many options. It looks like I'm going to have to call for a rescue. really cool right there. Nice little scale looking crawl. Love getting these little guys out here. The course is just enormous for these little trucks. Oh, there's a little path through there. Not much. We're gonna try it. See if this brass helps out. Now, my previous runs, I would have already broken the drive shaft by now. All right, guys, so it's been 24 hours since I just came down off of this obstacle right here. It only seems like a couple seconds to you guys, but the battery went dead in my camera. So here I am a day later, and I was heading over to do some crawling here around the bridge area. So we are going to resume as if nothing ever happened. But trust me, yesterday it was upper 50s, and today it is barely 30 degrees, and there's a few snow flurries flying around. But that's not going to stop me from finishing this video and continuing to have a little bit of fun with this little truck here. And I went back and looked at some of the footage from the beginning of this video, and I definitely think that this truck needs these tires softened a bit, or try those OGRC tires. I think I might take the inserts out of these and modify them a little bit, try to soften them up a hair. It's hard to print 3D inserts this small and get them to be nice and supple at the same time, but I'll work on that project. But nonetheless, this thing's been doing pretty well. That's a nice little crawl right there. Across the top of this wall here. Nowhere to go off the front, so I'm going to have to veer off to the right here. I really like filming these little guys. You can get some really good looking scale video, believe it or not, with these small scale. This is not a bad looking truck to do it with. Oh, nowhere to go. That was pretty awesome. I was laser focused there for a minute. This weight and this drive line is really made this thing a well-planted, enjoyable rig to drive. I'm really having a lot of fun with this right now. Well guys, I think this is about where I'm going to wrap up this video. This run was a lot of fun today, but it is cold out here and I'm ready to go warm up and do some work on some RC cars. So if you like this sort of content, make sure you subscribe, and I think I will do the tires, either soften these tires or try a different set of tires. But nonetheless, these things actually did okay today, but I think they could do even a little better. But like I said, if you like it, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button on your way out, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.